canary line. So, and that's a proper canary cake. That's actually a really good cake. If you want that one. And we've got 50, and 70, and that's it.
I'll grab some vitamins
Vitamins for the water. Here's going to hold your burns.
Oh, okay.
All of them. Especially the features, and it's good for the budgies too. Have you ever read up on our website by any chance for the features?
I know I've read a lot of stuff about it, but I don't think I've got them all on your website.
I've got all your basic.